Hello. I decided to tackle the healthcare category for the build challenge. Without going too much into the specific code, I wanted to cover why I chose to do what I did for this assignment. So, I wanted to provide clinicians and healthcare professionals with the necessary information they need to predict uh, the cost of a patient, both to themselves and to the hospital, both to themselves and the hospital. So, our first task that we needed to uncover is how dangerous are the certain diseases among the different patients. So for this, I simply chose to identify serious keywords. In this case, you can see I chose pneumonia, sepsis, failure, and attack. And then I use these words as associated serious codes for the serious ICD codes among patients. And then I was able to see among the admitted patients for a very small chunk of data, which of the ICD codes were associated with these dangerous keywords within their patient notes. Next, we wanted to see use NLP to extract medication names and dosages and see if there's any contradictions. Due to Foundry's limitations, I was unable to use pre-trained NLP models, so I had to use an approach that was much more surface level. Essentially, I created a dictionary upon doing some simple research and found which drugs are not supposed to be used with that illness. The illness is the key, and the drug is the list on the right. No, sorry. The keys are the drug names, and the list are the ICD codes to the right. And then we ran this through all the patients that I gathered, and as you can see, there were no patients with any contraindications. Finally, we want to estimate the cost of a patient, and we want to see what drives the higher costs. So this gives a better estimate to both the hospital and to the patient to give them an estimate of how much the treatment will cost. So simply, I created my own function to estimate the cost because we needed data to train our model on. And then after some simple data cleaning, I was able to do a random forest regressor and to fit the data. And the testing accuracy, we were able to achieve a mean absolute error of roughly 85.6%. And then looking through the different features, we could see that age was the largest contributor to an increase in cost. This demo is far from ideal. It serves more as a template of what can be done given more ideal situations, more resources, like I mentioned, with the NLP models and more data accessibility. But I really like working with healthcare data as I think it really provides an uh, immediate feedback and has the greatest impact in the real world by potentially helping these medical professionals and potentially save someone's life. Thank you.